Most curly-haired men don't know how to care for their hair. So in this video, I will share no BS routine that every curly-haired man should follow. I'll also provide a list of all the products I'll mention shortly. So let's jump right in. Curly hair is naturally drier because the scalp's oils have a harder time moving down the curls compared to straight hair. This makes curly hair lose moisture quickly, which can lead to frizz, tangling, and less defined curls. With the routine I'm about to share, you'll keep your curls hydrated and well managed, helping them stay soft, defined, and healthy. So there are two types of routine. Either you shower that day or you skip shower. I know most men don't shower daily, so we will do two separate routines. Let's first discuss the routine when you are going to shower. I'm assuming you're taking shower in the morning. Before you shower, start by detangling your hair with a wide-toothed comb or your fingers to gently detangle your hair, starting from the ends and moving up to the roots. This way, you avoid breakage and keep your curls looking their best. I highly suggest you use hair oil half an hour before you go to shower. You can simply use oils like coconut, argan, or jojoba. Apply it to your hair for at least 25 to 30 minutes before washing. Oils protect against shampoo's drying effects while boosting moisture. Now let's move to the shower routine. Start with warm water to open up the hair cuticle. Avoid hot water, as it can dry out hair and increase frizz. I recommend choosing a hydrating, sulfate-free shampoo for curly hair. Look for moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and honey. These shampoos are gentler and help preserve natural oils, which are very important for curly textures. Curly hair is generally dry and doesn't need frequent washing, so shampooing twice a week is more than enough, unless your scalp is very oily. Apply shampoo only at the roots, where oils and buildup occur, and gently massage with your fingertips. The suds will naturally cleanse the rest of your hair as you rinse. After rinsing out the shampoo, move on to conditioning, a very important step for curly hair because it provides hydration and curl definition. Curly hair is more porous and absorbs moisture quickly, so it needs extra hydration. I recommend using a heavy conditioner for deep moisture, but it does not mean you always have to use a heavy conditioner if you have curly hair. If you have fine or thin curly hair, choose a lightweight conditioner. It gives your hair the right amount of moisture without making it heavy, so your curls stay bouncy. Apply conditioner generously, focusing on the ends, which are usually the driest. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow your curls to absorb the moisture. Rinse the conditioner out with cool water. The cool rinse is an important step because it helps seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and making curls smoother and shinier. When you get out of the shower, be gentle with your curls because they are very delicate when wet. Instead of using a regular towel, try a microfiber towel or a soft cotton t-shirt. These materials are kinder to your curls and help stop them from breaking and getting frizzy. Avoid rubbing your hair with a towel because it can really mess up your curl pattern and cause frizz. Instead, pat and squeeze it gently. You can also use leave-in conditioner, but not necessary. If you have dry, thick, or coarse hair, you can go with the leave-in conditioner. After that, you can try the plopping technique if you have some time. It is a great way to set your curls without disrupting their natural shape and to add a nice bounce. Start by laying a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel flat. Then, flip your hair forward and gently place your curls onto the fabric. Next, wrap the t-shirt or towel around your head to keep your curls in place while drying. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. After plopping, you can let your hair air dry, or if you want to dry it faster, use a diffuser on low heat. Just try not to touch your hair too much while it dries, as that can make it frizzy. And that's it for after shower routine. Now it is time for your night routine before bed. The night is the perfect time to give your scalp a gentle massage. This helps improve blood flow, which is very good for your hair and can encourage growth. Use your fingers to massage your scalp in small circles. If you want extra care, apply lightweight oil to nourish your scalp while you massage. This keeps your scalp healthy, which is very important for your curls. To reduce friction for your hair, avoid pillowcases made of cotton or rough fabrics. Instead, use silk or satin pillowcases as they create less friction and help keep your hair smooth and prevent frizz. You can also use a silk or satin scarf to wrap your hair before bed. If your curls are long, I highly recommend trying the pineapple method. This means loosely gathering your hair on top of your head, which helps keep your curl pattern intact and stops your hair from getting flat in the morning. Well, on non-shower days, your hair care routine is pretty straightforward. First, Focus on detangle your hair in the morning using the white-toothed comb. After that, lightly mist your hair with water to add moisture. Now it is time to apply a leave-in conditioner. And trust me, my friends, buying a leave-in conditioner is really worth it, especially if you have curly hair. Use a lightweight leave-in conditioner to add moisture and redefine curls. To apply this, a few drops of water mixed with a leave-in conditioner works really well. After that, air dry your hair or use a diffuser on low if you want more volume. If your hair still feels dry at the ends, add a tiny bit of argan oil to seal in moisture, and reduced frizz is a good add-on in your morning curly hair care routine. The night routine is the same as we discussed earlier. Now, I know you're looking for the Google Sheet with all the products I mentioned. To get it, just click the first link in the description or the link in the pinned comment. This will take you to a page where you can enter 0 or any amount you want in the price section. After that, click the I want this button and you'll be taken to another page where you need to enter your email. Once you do that, you will get a message with a link to access the Google Sheet. In the first column of the sheet, you will find the product names. In the second column, there are 2 Amazon links for each product for people in the US. Since most of my audience is in India, I've added a special third column with links to Amazon India. This way, anyone in India can easily buy these products. I included 2 links for each product to make sure they fit your budget and are available for you to buy right away. Start building a V-shaped body while caring for your hair. If so, watch this video where I have shared a step-by-step process of building a V-shaped body in under 6 months.